Hey everyone, it's me, Danny Seo, with a quick tip on how you can literally clean up. You can make your own cleaning products. I call it why buy it when you can DIY it. And the hero ingredient here is orange peels. Save your peels, and I like to fill them up in a glass jar just like this over time. And you need one more ingredient with your orange peels. It's just white vinegar. White vinegar is a mild acid, so it's really great at disinfecting surfaces. And number two, orange peel has natural oils in it that are a degreaser, plus it also smells really good too. And let it sit and marinate for a couple of weeks, and what you'll find out is that it transforms into this beautiful orange color all-purpose cleaner for your home. I just transfer this to my spray bottle, and in two simple ingredients, I've made an all-purpose, beautiful citrus cleaner.